Persona development, empathy mapping in design thinking. After immersing yourself in empathy mapping and refining your empathetic understanding through user interview role plays, you arrive at a pivotal stage in the design thinking process, persona development. This phase represents a synthesis of all your gathered insights, where the nuanced understanding of your users starts to take a more defined shape. Let's delve into how this transformation occurs, highlighting the meticulous process of turning rich, diverse data into personas that will guide your design decisions. The first step in persona development is a thorough analysis of the data you've collected. This includes notes from empathy maps, transcripts from interviews, and any other user interactions you've documented. The goal here is to sift through this information to identify patterns, behaviors, pain points, and motivations that are common across your user base. It's a process that requires both a keen eye for detail and the ability to see the bigger picture as you're looking for threads that connect individual stories to broader user experiences. With patterns and commonalities in hand, you then begin the creative process of crafting personas. These personas are more than just aggregations of data. They're vibrant, detailed representations of your user groups. Each persona is given a name, a backstory, and a set of characteristics that reflect the insights you've gathered. This might include demographic information, but more importantly, it delves into psychographics, attitudes, aspirations, challenges, and behaviors that make each persona uniquely relatable to your design team. The authenticity of your personas hinges on their grounding in real data. They're not conjured from thin air, but are meticulously built from the insights derived from your empathy maps and interviews. This grounding ensures that each persona accurately represents a segment of your user base, making them invaluable tools for keeping your design efforts aligned with real user needs. As you develop these personas, it's crucial to continuously refer back to your collected data, validating that your personas are not only consistent with, but also enriched by the insights you've gathered. The art of persona development lies in your ability to distill complex information into profiles that are both accessible and relatable. This means presenting each persona in a way that anyone on your team or even outside your team can quickly grasp who this persona represents and what their key characteristics are. Effective personas tell a story, one that encapsulates the essence of the user's experience in a way that resonates emotionally and intellectually with designers and stakeholders alike. Once developed, personas serve as constant reminders and guides throughout the design process. They ensure that every design decision, from feature prioritization to user interface design, is made with a clear understanding of who the end users are and what they need. This alignment with user needs is what makes personas such a powerful tool in design thinking. They help bridge the gap between abstract user data and concrete design solutions, ensuring that your designs are not only innovative but deeply human-centered. Persona development marks a critical juncture in the design thinking process, transforming the empathy and insights you've gathered into actionable tools that inform and guide your design decisions. By meticulously analyzing user data, crafting detailed and grounded personas, and ensuring these personas are accessible and relatable, you lay the foundation for a design process that is truly user-centered. Personas not only keep your designs aligned with user needs, but also embody the empathetic core of design thinking, reminding you at every step of who you're designing for and why it matters.